Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Soerento Si, stock reference number 5590. The shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 9th month 2012. It has a D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror is faded, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 5 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have left hand tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar, Hayman and Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heating controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.